Now question number 20, it says, you have been asked to select a positive integer n which is less than 1000 such that it is either a multiple of 4 or a multiple of 6 or a multiple of c. So we'll say this event as A and this as B and this as C. So we'll find number of elements in this set A, so which are multiple of 4. So numbers which are multiple of 4 is 1000 divided by 4 and there'll be 250 excluding this 1000 because 1000 is not included. So we'll have 249 such numbers. Then number of elements in this set B which are multiple of 6 will be 166, and then number of elements in this set C which is an odd multiple of 9. Total multiples of 9 will be 1000 divided by 9 will be 111, and it'll start from 9 then 18 up to 999. So it will have 56 odd multiples of 9. Now we need to find n A union B union C. So n A union B union C will be NA plus NB plus NC minus n A intersection B, and there cannot be any intersection of A and C or B and C because any multiple of 4 cannot be odd multiple of 9 and any multiple of 6 cannot be odd multiple of 9. So we need to find n A intersection B also. So if we'll find n A intersection B, it will have all the elements which are divisible by both 4 and 6. So that is which are divisible by 12. So there'll be 1000 divided by 12 and that is 83 such numbers. So number of such integers will be 249 plus 166 plus 56 minus 83, and that comes to 388 such numbers. So answer to this question is 388.